Okay, first period, you have counting atomic particles. We are going to go a little bit more in depth here about the valence electron. Remember that valence electrons are the electrons that are in the outermost energy level. So lithium has one valence electron. Fluorine here has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 valence electrons, right? And then we had neon that had, you have to count the ones on the outer orbital. Neon had 2, 4, 6, 8, right? And then we have to look at the outer orbital or energy level. How many does sodium have, guys? How many?
1.
Great, okay, it has 1. Okay, now we're gonna go to lithium. All right, if you find lithium, lithium has 1 valence electron. Now we have our periodic table, correct? Here is group 1 on the periodic table. Every element in group 1 is going to have 1 valence electron, okay? Do you see where it says 1A? That is gonna mean all of these elements here have 1 valence electron, okay? Let's go to fluorine here. Fluorine has, we said fluorine has 7 valence electrons, okay? Well, if you look at fluorine, fluorine is in group 7A. Every element in group 7A is gonna have 7 valence electrons, okay? All right, let's look at neon. Okay, neon has 8 valence electrons. It is in group 8A. All of these elements are gonna have a full outer shell, okay? So if y'all will, get your periodic table, okay? This is period 1. This is period 1. Period 1 is going to have 2 valence electrons. Okay? Period 2 can hold up to 8 valence electrons. Okay, what period is this? 3, good. Period 3 can also hold up to 8 valence electrons, no more than 8. Okay, now we're getting, the atom is getting larger, taking up more space, more volume. So here in period 4, we can hold up to 18 valence electrons. I will let your chemistry teacher in 10th grade talk to you more about that, okay? So let's look at, do you see sodium here? Sodium, you said last class that sodium has 1 valence electron. We'll check it out. Sodium is in group 1, 1A. Sodium has 1 valence electron. All right, how many valence electrons would potassium have, guys? Good, 1, because it's in group 1. How many valence electrons will this group that beryllium is the head of? Show me fingers. How many valence electrons do you think 2A has? Okay, 2, good. All right, now we're gonna skip the transition metals. That's why I have your periodic folded like this. We're going to skip this. Do you see 3A? It's group 13. Group 3A will have 3 valence electrons. All of these elements will have 3 valence electrons. Show me fingers. How many valence electrons is 4A elements gonna have? Are 4 elements gonna have? That's awesome. Yeah, 4. And you'll never guess how many valence electrons group 5A would have. Y'all are brilliant. All right, and then 6A, all of these elements in this group will have 6 valence electrons, 7 valence electrons, and then these are gonna have a full outer shell. And we'll talk about why it's important to have a full outer shell next week. So, thank you, first period, for helping me out.